CUET 2023 PEA question number 16. Consider the following matrix. A is this. What will be the rank? So first I need to find out my determinant value of A. Okay, I expand by the first column. So 1. So the value of the determinant is coming out to be -2. So if the determinant value of A is -2, the rank has to be 3. So basically what I do is I check the determinant value of the 3 by 3 case. If the determinant value is not equal to 0, rank is 3. If the determinant value is equal to 0, I check all the 2 by 2 cases. How many 2 by 2 cases will I have? I have 3 rows. I can choose any 2. I have 3 columns. I can choose any 2. So 3 options here, 3 options here. Total, I will have 9 2 by 2 cases. If any of the 9 is not equal to 0, the determinant value, any of the 9 2 by 2 cases, any of them, I'm saying not all of them, if any of them, if at least one of them is not equal to 0, the rank will be equal to 2. For more reference, please refer to my rank video. Okay, the rank of A is 3. Very easy.